Hey kitties, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Marilyn and I'm bringing you all things beauty, fashion, lifestyle, a little bit of fragrance. So if you like that kind of stuff, go ahead and subscribe. Okay kitties, so we're going to be getting into a little bit of hair. I have in a new bundle or new bundles from Queen Wee Beauty, and this is Bodywave. You know how we do with Queen Wee Beauty. The hair is good, it lasts, so I'm going to get it again. So my birthday is coming up and I wanted some long bundles, so I decided to go with the Bodywave. So if you're new here, I normally install my hair on a U-part. Like I sew the bundles onto a weaving net, and then I sew that weaving net to my head and I leave the top part out, so that way I can have a natural leave out. Just a lot more natural for me. Closures and things like that I don't really do. I know they do have closures and frontals. That's just not my thing. I love to sew it on a weaving net because it's convenient. I mean, you have access to your hair a lot more than a traditional sew-in, because I'll sew my U-part on, leave it in for a week, sometime pushing it, I'll leave it 2 weeks, and I can take it out, I can wash my hair, I can wash the bundles, and it just lasts longer, okay? You know my bundles last long. I recently did a review for you that was 2 years. The Yaki Straight from Queen Wee Beauty, 2 years. Okay, so we do good, thorough reviews over here. I'm not going to put the hair in and tell you, oh, it's good, it's cute, get it. I'm going to come back in a month. I'll be back in 2 months. I'll be back in a year. I'll be back in 2 years, because that's a review. All right, so I have in Bodywave 3 packs. I would say that if you like your hair to be full and you also like longer lengths, like lengths longer than 22, I would suggest 4 bundles if you need it to be full. I have in 3 and I think it's fine this way. It's a natural density. It's extremely lightweight. I mean, this texture, these bundles are lightweight in general, but with the 3 packs, it's a natural density, lightweight, and I really do love it. But if you are someone that loves a fuller install, you would go for 4 bundles, especially if you like the longer lengths. So this video is mainly about styling the hair, because I am going to be doing some crimps with this new crimping iron that I got from Amazon, and I want to do some wavy, beachy wavy type of vibes in this hair. So it's not really about the installation. However, I will link a couple videos where I have a little bit more details on how I installed it, and I'll just have quick clips on like the weaving net process when I did install this hair. It's also dyed. I dyed it jet black. It comes like a natural 1B color, which nobody wants. At least I don't want. I love a good jet black dye. Okay, so it is colored. I colored all 3 bundles, and they did take the dye extremely well. All right, so this is what I'm trying to bring all the hair to the front. So this is what the hair looks like. Really fluffy. Love it. Lightweight. I don't have any products on it. I typically don't put a lot of products on the hair because I really do think that helps it last longer and it doesn't weigh the hair down. And this is the type of texture that can be weighed down easily, I'm sure. Okay, so let's get into it. All right, so I recently got this from Amazon. It's like a crimper, and you can see the barrels are pretty large. So it is going to have like large flowy waves. I'm not going to put any products on it because I do want it to stay really soft and just flowy, and sort of mimic the natural pattern of the hair, but make it more uniform and a little bit more detailed. So I got this recently, so we're going to be testing this out too. I got the pink. I really wanted the black one, but the pink one was cheaper, and you know me. If I can save a few dollars, baby, I'm going to save it. So right now on my natural hair, I do have in a little bit of edge control. This was from last night, and I slept on it with my hair tied up. This is the Ebin. Yeah, the Ebin 24-hour edge tamer. Extreme firm hold. So I would say any sort of edge control would do. When I get towards my leave out, I am going to spray this Paul Mitchell flexible style hot off the press. This is a heat protectant as well as a holding spray, so I'm probably going to use that right here at the top where my leave out is. But on the rest of the hair, I'm not going to put anything on it. So we'll see how this thing works. Of course, I'll link it below, so in case you're interested in it, you can definitely grab it. Of course, it was affordable. Now it only has 3 settings. It's either off, it's on 356 degrees, or 410. Let's go ahead and put it on 410. All right, so let me just get my clip and section the hair so we can start from the bottom. Now this should be pretty easy because you don't have to be so neat. It's just literally crimped. You're putting waves in the hair. So this is the hair before we put any waves in it. right, so I'm just gonna grab a big section and kind of just clamp it. Like crimping is something I normally don't do to my own hair. All right, so I think it's hot. So we're gonna go ahead and crimp it. Ouch. I probably could use a bigger section because this is so big, but let's just see. All right, so this is what it looks like. I love this. I love this. So this is what it looks like. It's cute. All right, so let's do the other side. So this is what the second crimp looks like. I just let the end sort of curl on its own, like do its natural thing. I think it'll flow better like that, but I like this. Now, of course, if you prefer like a more firm hold, you would put holding spray on it, but I don't really put all that on my bundles. So I sectioned off another piece. I'm just going to continue to crimp it until we get close to the top and see how everything blends and works out, but I think it's going to be cute. Okay, Kitty, so here are the crimps. I'm gonna run my fingers sort of through them to break them up a bit, but they're really soft and the hair is so bouncy. What it looks like in the back. I hope it looks good in the back. But I am gonna rake them out with my hands. Just gonna pull them apart just a little bit, not too much. But they're so soft, and I think it's so much better without any hairspray on it. Okay, so this is the completed look. I absolutely love the way this came out. That crimper, of course, I'm going to link it below. I'm going to link all the details to the hair. The hair is so beautiful and lightweight, and it has a lot of bounce. I can only imagine if this hair was layered. I mean, it does have 3 different lengths in it, but when I actually layer it later on, I think it's going to have so much bounce when I put curls in it. Oh, but I love it so far. For right now, I'm going to keep it this length until I get tired of that length, and then I'll just do some layers and sort of change it up and make it feel like a totally different style. Now the crimping took a little while. The crimping takes a little bit of time and patience, but it was definitely worth the outcome. So if you're looking to have a sort of wavy, beachy hairstyle, this particular iron with the large barrels is perfect for that. You do have to be careful because the space is so wide. Like I burnt myself twice trying to grab a hold of the hair because this part is so like wide and it takes up a lot of space. But with a bigger barrel, you can fit more hair in it. I probably could have put thicker pieces of hair to make the process a little quicker, but Queen Wee Beauty hair never disappoints. I've had several different lengths, as you guys know. I've had the very first bundle that I purchased from them was the Yaki hair. Still have it. That was about 2 years ago. Still have it. I've cut it shorter, washed it a billion times, blow dried it, flat ironed it. It still has the bounce and the fullness. Kinky straight, absolutely beautiful, matches the texture of my hair so seamlessly. I've had that. I have some experience with this hair. I've also had loose wave, which I eventually cut that into like a shorter length bob, which you guys have probably seen. And I recently had the Burmese curly, which I love. You're gonna see that again in the summer. I'm gonna bring that back in the summer because it's perfect for summer hair. You don't have to worry about your leave out. You just put a little edge control or a little gel to let your hair curl back up if you are natural, and you're good to go. Okay, with this, I wanted some length. Okay, my birthday's coming up, and this is gonna be like my birthday hair. And typically when I think of birthday hair, I always think of something a little bit more glamorous, longer in length, and this did that. I don't know if I'm gonna curl it or do these same crimp beach waves, but either way, I'm gonna be cute. Of course, all the information is linked below. If you have any questions, you can always leave them down in the comments. Hair questions are my #1 questions on my channel across the board. So if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments and I'll be sure to reply. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, come back, watch another video. Bye guys.